Welcome to Slapdash Roamer, and welcome to the King Tides at Heceta Head.
The ocean's might, battle to the end, in the endless night. Mother Nature roars, Mother Nature roars, waves as sharp as swords. Mother Nature roars beneath the dark pitch.
Up there is the Lighthouse Keeper's house, or like Heceta Head. And the lighthouse is just tucked among these trees here. And I'm in King Tides are amazing today. Alright, now that we've experienced the King Tide a little bit, I think it's time to head up to the Heceta Head Lighthouse. Follow me.
Night eyes sees me conquer all. Nature's wrath will never fall. Sailing on to victory. Warrior strong, wild and free. Dragons wake deep below. Thunder's rage, lightning's blow. Shield.
This path is just always full of stunning views and lots of information. And hell, before you even get to the lighthouse, you get a peek of it just through the woods. But we're not that way. So come with me. We're almost done. I'll even show you another trail that leads off of this one that has even more epic views. Like once in a lifetime views where you're like, man, I don't know if I'll ever see something like that again.
Dragons wake deep below. Thunder's rage, lightning's blow.
Alright, I was talking about a great kind of hidden trail nobody really thinks about going up. Get up here. So here's the first one when you get up to the head. And then right, these stairs, the good old hobbit trail. Check this out. Look at this view from the hobbit trail. This is just the beginning. And welcome to Heceta Head Lighthouse. Check this gorgeous lighthouse out. Well, I'm not gonna say it was a warm day. It's definitely a bit breezy, but hey, when you're trying to get videos of the King Tide up at Heceta Head Lighthouse, sometimes you gotta make sacrifices, and that might come in the form of a soaked Slipknot sweater from an awesome concert back in September, or maybe a fucking soaked Moonshine Bandits hat. But I'm surprised that was flying off my head. Fucking knock on the camera.
To the end, in the endless night.